Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to prepare chicken pulav recipe which is so light, easy and tasty. We don't need any fancy ingredients for this recipe. Enjoy this flavorful one pot meal. Let's see the list of ingredients. 3 tomatoes finely chopped, 3 onions, cut them into slices, coriander leaves 1 cup, mint leaves half cup. For chicken recipe, take more coriander than mint. We need 2 whole garlic bulbs and 2-inch ginger peas. Blend until smooth consistency. Freshly made ginger garlic paste enhances the flavor of any recipe. This is the key ingredient for pulav. Basmati rice 500 grams. Rice grains have a natural starch coating that can make them sticky when cooked. Washing the rice helps to remove some of this surface starch, resulting in fluffier cooked rice. Wash basmati rice under cold water until water runs clear. Soak rice in water for 30 minutes, then drain and set aside. 4 green chilies, chicken 500 grams, chili powder, ghee 3 tablespoons, bay leaves 2, cardamom 2, 4 to 5 cloves, coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder. In a large pan or a pressure cooker, heat the ghee or cooking oil over medium heat. Add spices. Here I am using minimum spices to keep it light. Fry on medium flame for 30 seconds. Now add sliced onions to the pan and saute until they turn golden brown. I prefer chicken and rice in equal quantities. Like for half kg rice, take half kg chicken. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Salt helps to bring out the natural sweetness of the onions and enhances their flavor. Helps to draw out moisture from the onions and promotes even browning. It balances the overall taste of the dish. Add turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon. Add 4 green chili slits. Fry until golden brown on medium flame. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Now add tomato slices, Saute until the tomatoes are soft and well combined. Once tomatoes become soft and mushy, keep the flame on low. Now add chili powder 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 2 tablespoons, salt 2 tablespoons. Saute for a minute. Now add chicken pieces. I suggest cut the chicken into smaller bite-sized pieces. You can cut them into cubes or thin strips. Cook the chicken until it is about 70% done. Once done, add boiling water to chicken mix. For 1 cup rice, add 1.5 cup water. Let it come to a boil. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves and add soaked basmati rice. Mix them all together. Finally, add ghee 3 tablespoons and give it a mix. Close the lid and wait for 3 whistles on medium flame. Wait until the pressure has been released from the cooker. Your delicious chicken pulav is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with raita or any other side dish of your choice. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.